Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 5 tips to learn English faster. Welcome to my channel, English with Emma. Today we're going to discuss how to speak British English confidently step by step. Are you struggling to learn English? Do you feel like giving up? Don't worry, you're not alone. Learning a new language can be challenging, but it's also a rewarding experience. In this video, I'll share my own story of learning English and provide tips and encouragement to help you stay motivated and overcome obstacles. I started learning English as a second language several years ago. At first, it was tough. I struggled to understand grammar rules, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I felt like giving up many times, but I didn't. I kept practicing, and eventually, I became fluent. Looking back, I realized that the journey was worth it. Learning English opened doors to new opportunities, and I'm grateful for that. English is a global language, and speaking it can open doors to new opportunities. Whether you want to study abroad, work in an international company, or simply communicate with people from around the world, English is the key. Don't give up on your dreams of communicating with people from different cultures and backgrounds. We all face challenges when learning a new language. Grammar rules can be confusing, vocabulary can be overwhelming, and pronunciation can be difficult. Don't worry if you struggle with these aspects of English. You're not alone. Many language learners face similar challenges. Remind yourself why you started learning English. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Whether it's mastering a new grammar rule or learning a new vocabulary word, celebrate your achievements. Make language learning a habit. Practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Consistency is key to language learning. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch English TV shows and movies, and speak with native speakers. Pronunciation is key to speaking confidently. Practice speaking and listen to native speakers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep moving forward. There are many apps and resources available to help you learn English. Find what works best for you. Connect with other language learners and practice speaking with native speakers. Learning a language takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress immediately. Flashcards can help you memorize new vocabulary. Make physical cards or use apps. Reading English materials can help you improve your comprehension and vocabulary. Don't be afraid to speak English, even if you make mistakes. Practice speaking with confidence. Don't give up on English. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll achieve your goals. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more language learning content. See you in the next video.